To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this particular video, we'll be solving the type 3 problems where we need to calculate the interest on foreign loans. So they would have given the foreign currency rate and Indian currency rate, and we need to consider both the currency rates and calculate the interest by using both two different rates and check the difference. Okay, so ಎರಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೈಪ್ 3 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಲೋನ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೋನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಎರಡರ ನಡುವಿನ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಬಾರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ or at least pause the video and write down the question. Z company borrowed a loan of 4,000 euros. So 4,000 euros on 1/4. Dates are very important. On 1/4/2000 at 3% interest. Okay. Had a similar loan being borrowed in India. Suppose if the same loan was taken in India, same ಅದೇ ಲೋನನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ the interest would be 11%. The exchange rate is 41 and 45. Means on 1 April it was 41 rupees. Okay. On 31st March it was 45 rupees. Calculate borrowing cost. So we usually follow 5 to 6 steps. First let us solve step 1. Step 1 will be calculation of interest on foreign loan. Calculation of interest on foreign loan. So foreign loan, yes. First, what is the amount? Total 4,000 euros into how much is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 3% into, now the date, the rupees, see 41 rupees was on 1/4 and 45 rupees was on 31st March. Now what happens? We need to check for 45 rupees because on 31st March, okay, the amount would have come for 45 rupees. So we need to check 45 rupees because we are calculating borrowing cost capitalized. So same loan if it is obtained now, okay, it is 45 rupees into 45 rupees. If you do, that is what is the amount? 4,000 into 3% into 45 rupees. 4,000 into 3% into 45 rupees will be 5,400 rupees will be the amount. Next step 2 we will calculate, that is calculation of interest on Indian loan. See, the reason is why why we took 45 rupees means interest we will pay always on the year ending date. Year ending date ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಕಟ್ಟೋದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿನ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಲೋನ್, ಸೊ 4,000 into 3% into 11%, sorry, on Indian loan it is 11% into, now we should take 41 rupees. The reason why we need to take 41 rupees means when we are taking the loan on 1/4 means 1st of April. So similarly, if in India we would have taken on 1st of April, what would have been the interest? We need to check that. So 4,000 into 11% into 41 rupees will be 18,040. Next, step number 3. Step number 3 will be calculation of difference. So simple formula will be step 2 minus step 1. Step 2 is 18,040. Step 1 is 5,400. If you minus this both, you get the difference amount, that is 12,640 is the difference amount. Now we get to calculate step 4, that is borrowing cost. Borrowing cost. So borrowing cost is very simple. It is on foreign loans. So step 1 plus step 3. Because this is a difference, it has to be capitalized. Step 1 plus step 3. Step 1 is 5,400 plus step 3 is 12,640. If you add both, we get the borrowing cost, that is 5,400 plus 12,640. It will be 18,040 rupees. This is the borrowing cost which we need to capitalize. Hope you have understood about the type 3 problem. If you have any doubt, please put your doubts and queries in the comment box. I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.